How to ghost touch while charging on iPhone. This is often caused by the charging cable, power adapter, or an unstable power source. Here are some simple things you can try. First, unplug your iPhone from the charger and check if the ghost touches stop. If the screen works normally when it's unplugged, the charger or power source could be the problem. Next, try using a different charging cable and power adapter. Make sure you're using a good quality, compatible charger, and check the cable for any visible damage. You should also try plugging your charger into a different wall outlet. Avoid using a damaged or unreliable power source. If the problem continues, restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button with a volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Also, make sure your iPhone screen is clean and dry. Remove any moisture, dirt, or debris from the display, as these can sometimes cause unexpected touch input. Finally, check for an iOS update by going to Settings app on your iPhone, tap on General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it and check whether the issue is resolved. If your iPhone still registers touches by itself, especially when using different chargers and outlets, the issue may be related to the display or charging hardware. In that case, it's best to have the iPhone inspected by Apple or an authorized service provider. And that's it. These steps can help fix ghost touch issues while charging your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.